Using fire extinguishers. Stand 3 meters ahead, upwind, of the fire and remember the word pass. Pull the pin at the top of the extinguisher. Aim the nozzle or outlet towards the fire. Squeeze the handle to release the extinguishing agent and sweep from side to side at the base of the fire until it is out. Fire prevention. Class A fires. Ordinary combustibles. Keep storage and working areas free of trash. Place oily rags in covered containers. Control smoking in the area. Limit possible sources of ignition. Keep passages and fire doors clear at all times. Know the locations of fire extinguishers. Class B fires. Flammable liquids or gases. Consider non-flammable substances for cleaners. Refuel equipment only in well-ventilated areas and when they are not running. Store flammable liquids properly. Use flammable liquids only in well-ventilated areas. Ensure storage drums are properly grounded. Restrict welding and cutting to authorized areas. Class C fires. Electrical equipment. Inspect wiring and insulation regularly. Ensure motors are kept clean and lubricated. Be cautioned upon unusual odors. Ensure socket outlets and connections are not overloaded. Use correct rating of fuses and MCBs. Keep motors free of dust and excess grease. Ensure machinery is properly maintained. Class D fires. Combustible metals. Control dust and turnings. Follow established control procedures. Never use wet sand or water to extinguish fires. Moisture releases oxygen which can fuel the fire. Metal fires can burn up to 5,000 degrees and difficult to extinguish. Class D fires. When the fire involves burning metals like lithium, magnesium, steel, aluminium etc. known as a Class D fire in the American Fire Classification System, it becomes even more important to consider the energy release. The metals react faster with water than with oxygen and thereby more energy is released. Putting water on such a fire result in the fire getting hotter or even exploding because the metals react with water in an exothermic reaction. Therefore, inert agents, e.g. dry sand, must be used to break the chain reaction of metallic combustion. Class D fire extinguishers. There are several Class D fire extinguisher agents available. Some will handle multiple types of metals, others will not. Sodium chloride, Super D, Metal-X or Metal. Fire. Extinguisher contains sodium chloride salt and thermoplastic additive. Plastic melts to form oxygen excluding crust over the metal, and the salt dissipates heat. Useful on most alkali metals including magnesium, titanium, aluminum, sodium, potassium, and zirconium. Copper-based, copper powder. Navy 125S developed by the U.S. Navy in the 70s for hard-to-control lithium and lithium alloy fires. Powder smothers and acts as a heat sink to dissipate heat, but also forms a copper-lithium alloy on the surface which is non-combustible and cuts off the oxygen supply. Graphite-based, G+, G1, Lith-X, pyramid or metal. Fire. Extinguisher contains dry graphite that smothers burning metals. First type developed, designed for magnesium, works on other metals as well. Unlike sodium chloride powder extinguishers, the graphite powder fire extinguishers can be used on very hot burning metal fires such as lithium, but unlike copper powder extinguishers will not stick to and extinguish flowing or vertical lithium fires. Like copper extinguishers, the graphite powder acts as a heat sink as well as smothering the metal fire. Sodium carbonate-based, NaOx used where stainless steel piping and equipment could be damaged by sodium chloride-based agents to control sodium, potassium, and sodium-potassium alloy fires. Limited use on other metals. Smothers and forms a crust. New water-based Class A/B/D/K/F extinguisher products have appeared in recent years. Examples include the Fire Blockade brand of suppressant. These are available in the form of small aerosol cans for home use, in addition to bulk dispensers up to 250 gallons in size for suppression of larger fires. The extinguishing medium is a water-soluble soy-based formula. Most Class D extinguishers will have a special low-velocity nozzle or discharge wand to gently apply the agent in large volumes to avoid disrupting any finely divided burning materials. Agents are also available in bulk and can be applied with a scoop or shovel.
Please give comment and suggestions.
Thank you.
Subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. Thank for visit our channel. See you next class.
Thank you.